What up, everyone? So today I am going to review the chicken tenders and some fries and a Mountain Dew Sweet Lightning from KFC. So let's open it up and see how it tastes of the KFC's chicken tenders. And we got the, I don't know what it's called, but I'm just gonna leave it there, so don't worry. I'm gonna start with chicken tenders. So good. It's hard to taste up the crispy chicken, but it's still my favorite. Even compared with Raising Cane's, I tried it for like a month. Well, I had to try KFC's one, and it's good. Oh. It's good. So I'm gonna get this 9.2 out of 10. Let's try the fries. See how it tastes. A little salty. It's great. It's good. It's awesome. Very good. KFC fries, 8.7 out of 10. So let's try Sweet Lightning. So hopefully it's good. Maybe I'm going to review the soda. So here you go. So peachy and so honey. Looks to be great. Better than any sodas that I cannot try. The peach sodas, more like peach and honey soda, like a Mountain Dew Sweet Lightning. 8.4 out of 10. So subscribe my channel.